YouTube, what's up? Today I am doing another wash and go, but it will be with a combo. I am joining together two of my favorite products to see if it can give me some curls and definition. Now, what I can tell you is I just washed my hair and deep conditioned already with the new Caraveda line. If you want to know more about that product, it just came out recently. Let me know. I do have a video already done. I just have yet to upload it. But it's not about that. It is about melanin. You know, we all love the melanin. Okay, let's get into that. And our right here, Edge Booster, the Style Factor right here. Let's get into this right here. This is a sugar melon scent. Honey. Oh my God. Yummy. I can't wait to see what it does. Now, I'm not trying to keep you all day, so I'm going to speed through most of this video and I'm going to talk over it and let you know what I'm doing. But I wanted to start off by letting you see how those curls are already popping. Caraveda, come through. Come on. I'm not going to even get into that right now. But my leave-in today, again, will be my favorite. Texture ID. Texture ID is always my favorite leave-in. So basically, I'm going to do section by section. I'm going to speed it up for you, talk through it. Hopefully, we get some great results. Let's see what happens when we do this. So this is what it is after diffusing it. I'm not going to stretch it with a pick or pull it out or anything tonight. I'm just going to put my bands on it to try to elongate it in my sleep because I have hair to do tomorrow and I hate when someone gets their hair done and my hair looks a mess. That's like a pet peeve of mine. So that's the only reason why I'm doing my hair. And I'm going to put it in very lightly. Um, my hair is really defined and I love the way that it looks. So this is as much stretch as this side is gonna get. And mind you, I only have two bands, and because it's late at night, I can't look for another one anymore because everybody's asleep and I don't want to turn on the light. So this is the best I can do. Nope, matter of fact, I think there is a scrunchie next to the bed. So I'm just putting these two in for now, and I'll put the last one in right when I'm getting in bed, which will be in like another minute or so. And I'm not putting them in tight because I want to have this for a few days. So, and my hair is so fine that anything stretches it out till there isn't any curls. So there's my two pigtails. This is literally how I'm going to have it. I may put one here, may not. Matter of fact, I'm not. I'm going to twist it a little bit and then fit it into this one. Haha. Just like that. So my bonnet is on and I am off to sleep. I left every place where I lay, which is right here, and right here. There's no knot, so I won't feel it while I'm sleeping. So I should be comfortable. And at some point tomorrow, maybe tomorrow morning, I will go ahead and take this off, fluff it out, and see what day 2 hair looks like. So we'll know if this really worked like it was supposed to work. So in the meantime, good night, and I will see you tomorrow, which is like 2 seconds from now. Okay, y'all, this is day 2 hair. The curls are popping. They are soft from the melanin. I love how it looks. Right here, I'm showing you day 3 hair, and this is day 5 hair. Literally, it looks so good. Thank everybody for watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. In between time, I'll see you in the meantime. Bye.